Imagine spending hour a website build, but your visitors have easy to way no contact you, no inquiries, no client, no leads. That's exactly why every professional website needs to a great contact form. Today we will build one from scratch in Webflow, and by the end you will know how to make it look professional and work beautiful on every device. Hello everyone, welcome back to UGIIT. So far in this course we have built a strong foundation in Webflow. Today we are building something every real website needs, a responsive contact form. But we are not dragging in a few fields. I will also show you the small design decision that makes a contact form looks professional and improve the user experience. First, we know why every website need a contact form. So before we build it, let's answer one question. Why not just display an email address? Because a contact us form easier to visitors, more professional, better to collecting leads. Almost every business website use one. So now let's build it. First, create a section. So click the section and create the class, the contact block, and select the container and class container, and let's have add a top padding like 100 pixel and bottom padding 100 pixel, and inside the container let's have a from element. So this is the from block, so click the from block, and let's see, this is the default form, that is name and email. So pretty cool, but this is only the beginning, because in the next step we are going to make it look like a premium website. So now I have improved the form structure. So in the form block, inside the form, create the div block and drag the top of the form and class from row, and inside the from row create the div block and create the from call, and let's have width 50% and padding left 50 pixel, top 50 pixel, bottom 50 pixel, and right 15 pixel. And under the from call let's have a div block. So create the class from box, and this is the label. So I drag the label in the from box, and this is the text field. So drag the from box under the name label. So I have changed name to first name. So this is the first name label, and this is my first name input box. So let's have name, the first name, and I have add the placeholder text, enter your first name, and this is the required field, and I have add a class on the label like from label, and let's have class of the input box form input, and I have add another div, and I have to name from call. And now I have, let's copy this field, and under the form call is the label, and change to first the second name, and copy the input and paste the second name and change it to second name, and enter your last name and the last name. And I have to styling of the form row to display text and direction wrapper down, and same thing let's have create another div and copy this class and paste, and copy from label and paste from label, and here is the email ID, and let's have drag this field under the email ID, and let's add the placeholder, enter your email ID. Oh, I have mistake one div block, so I have add the div, drag the top and drag those element under the div block, and this is the my form box, and paste the class, and same thing add the div and paste the class and drag the element. So now let's have create another div and copy the form block and paste the form call, and copy the form box, and let's create the div and paste the class and copy the label, paste the label. Here is our first name, last name, email ID, phone number, and copy the text field and paste, and type is the phone, and enter your phone number. And now I have add another field, this is the subject. So now let's have create another div. So copy the form call and paste, and copy the label, add another div block under the form call that is from box, and copy the label and paste the label, and I want to change the label text, that is subject, and copy the field, input field. So I have to change the name, the subject, and I have add another field like text area. So now add another div block and copy the from call class, from call, under the from call add another div like from box, and add a label like message, and add a text area under the form blocks. So this is the text area, and name message, and enter your message. And now this is the default form label. I am to delete this field, and notice something, we are asking only for information we actually need. So that's the professional habit. More field usually mean fewer submission. If you are enjoying these practically Webflow tips and want to become job ready, considering subscribe to our UGIIT. Every episode built on the last one, so you won't miss any important concepts. Now comes to my favorite part. Let's make this from beautiful. So same way I want to wrap the submit button. So this is my form column structure, and I want to add another div and copy the form call, and under the form call I want to add another div, that is from box, and drag the submit button under the form box. And this is my form call, and this is my form row. So I want to add the padding of the form call. So I want to margin -15 pixel of the left side, and also the top margin, and this is the bottom margin, and this is the right margin. So now I have designed the form label. So now I have reduced the margin of the bottom label and choose the open sans font and font weight 600 and font size 16 pixel, and also line height 1.4 em, and let's have the color. So I want to change this color, and also the input box I want to add with 100% height 52 pixel, reduce some height, and I want to add a rounded corner 10 pixel, and also add the border this color, and I have to add the font open sans and font weight 400 and font size 16 pixel, and also line height 1.3 em. And let's have the same class like from input in the email field, also the phone number field, and also the subject field. And now I have added some of the padding like 10 pixel the top and the bottom 10 pixel, and left padding 16 pixel and right padding 16 pixel. And I want to subject fill onto the 100%. So now I have to add combo class like form call 100, and I am to add the 100%, and also the text area field like form call 100, and also the form call like the 100 pixel. And now this is our form design, and this is our subject field. So there is some resize option. So now I am disable the resize option. So now I have add a combo class like text area, and now I am add the custom properties like resize none. So here is the resize option disable, and I want to add height 110 pixel, and now I am add some margin the email ID, and also reduce the padding of the form call left 10 pixel, top 10 pixel, and bottom 10 pixel, also the right 10 pixel, and also margin minus 10 pixel, top 10 minus 10 pixel, bottom minus 10 pixel, and right minus 10 pixel. And I want to design the submit button. So let's have the create the form button, and now I want to add the background color like this color, and font family is the open sans, and font weight 1600, and font size is a 16 pixel, and also the line height 1.3, and color is the white, and I have also add the all capitalize, and I have add some padding like left 20 pixel, right 20 pixel, and top 12 pixel, and bottom 12 pixel, and I have add some mean width like 200 pixel. So now I have reduced some mean width, and also add the rounded corner like 10 pixel, and I have also add some transition So create the transition and select the all properties and 400 ms and easy out, and select the hover state and change the background color like this color. So now when hover over the button, it will be the change the color. So now I have checked the preview, so publish the website, and let's check the website, that is our form. So now let's see the change of the border color after the click. So now I am change the focusing color, that is the focused. Select the focused and change the color like this, and also publish the website and refresh and see the result, and this is the button. So it already looks much better, but this one small mistake that instantly makes forms feel unprofessional. Let's fix that the next. Now let's discuss common mistakes. So never do this. Tiny input fields, inconsistent spacing, low construct, huge label, multiple unnecessary field. So simple form convert better. If this helping you understand not just few to build form, but why professional design them this way, that exactly what this course is about. Subscribe so you can keep learning step by step. Now let's have the mobile responsive version. So first check the tablet version. So click the tablet and check the everything. So I want to reduce the contact padding 100 pixel to 60 pixel, and the bottom is the 60 pixel. And now this is the okay, and now I will switch to the mobile landscape. So this is my the mobile landscape version, and now no, I'll no change the like the font size. So on the mobile landscape version, I will change the 50% to 100%, and also padding 50 pixel and bottom 50 pixel, and also change the top and bottom spacing like 8 pixel and 8 pixel, and also -8 pixel and -8 pixel, and I want to reduce the text area size like 18 pixel, and change the width the button the 150 pixel. And now let's check the mobile portrait version. So this is the perfect. So now publish the website and check the website also. So this is my tablet version and this is my mobile landscape version and this is the mobile responsive version. So that's it. So now I will recap this lesson. So today you learn how to add a contact form, how to structure form field, how to professional design forms and responsive adjustment, also the common mistakes. So now you can confidently build a contact form for almost any website. Last thing, I'll show the form submission. So let's have the desktop version. So now let's have put the data like first name Kaushik, last name Mondal, email ID swajit@gmail.com, phone number, subject test subject, and this is, and submit the message, and these data stored in our project dashboard. So go to the site setting and go to the forms tab and scroll the bottom, and these are the contact form, and click the view submission and see the data like first name, last name, email, phone number, subject, and this is the message. So that's it. If you enjoyed today's lesson, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our UGIIT and turn on notification bell. So I will see you in the next episode.